Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to guide you through the exciting process of transforming a neurosurgical anatomy textbook into structured JSON data, perfect for interactive learning apps, and show you how AI agents can help streamline that journey.
Imagine you're a user exploring surgical approaches in an app. You tap subfrontal approach, and instantly you receive exactly the info you need. Key landmarks, risky zones, patient positioning, MRI pointers, and even 3D model notes, all neatly organized. That insight comes from data stored in a JSON structure like this. Without structured data, that kind of smart, interactive experience just isn't possible.
To streamline your textbook to JSON workflow, start by uploading a clean PDF or docx. The AI performs best when the text includes clear headings, bullet lists, and tables. Then, define your JSON schema, what fields your app needs, like approach name and key structures. With that in place, prompt the AI agent to extract and organize content by chapter or surgical approach. Using structured output mode, the agent follows your schema exactly, producing clean JSON entries automatically. What once took hours can now be done in minutes. While it's not fully hands-free, you'll still need to review the output. It's a fast leap from static textbook to smart app-ready data.
The advantages: speed and scalability. You can process entire textbooks section by section, creating hundreds of JSON records in a fraction of the time. Consistency. Every JSON record follows your schema exactly, so your app behavior stays uniform across topics. Modular updates. Need to tweak just the danger zones field? You can regenerate individual sections without redoing everything. While the limitations are implicit knowledge, I won't spot every anatomical nuance buried in paragraphs or across multiple pages. That requires a human review step. Linking illustrations. If your textbook doesn't already tag figures or images in structured format, like XML or EPUB, the AI can't automatically link them to the JSON. Critical accuracy. Since this affects surgical planning or educational uses, mistakes in anatomy still require validation by you or a domain expert.
Smooth flow, from textbook to app. 1. Define your JSON format upfront. Decide what fields each entry must contain. 2. Test the process with one surgical approach to refine the schema. 3. Scale up. Feed the rest of your structured chapters into the pipeline. 4. Review output. 5. Feed the validated JSON into your app. Now you have instantly accessible, searchable, and interactive content for learners.
Why this matters in neurosurgical training. By structuring your textbook data into neat JSON packages, you transform static text into smart content. Interactive quizzes, clickable anatomy regions in a 3D model, on-demand surgical tips, and even voice-narrated walkthroughs. All possible with an AI-assisted pipeline that speeds up the workflow and keeps data consistent.
So, as a conclusion, your next steps would be to start with one chapter or approach, define your fields, get the AI agent to generate a sample JSON file, review it carefully, adjust, and once you're confident, scale to the rest of the book. Use those JSON records to power your interactive app, putting structured surgical knowledge right at a trainee's fingertips. That's how you can semi-automate structured data extraction from a neurosurgery textbook and turn it into a smarter, user-ready learning tool.